Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's world. Today is the 5th episode in the geography series. So today we are going to discuss about South America, the America which is south of North America. Very understandable by its own name. Okay, it is the 4th largest continent in area. Its land area is 17.84 million kilometers square, not just the not line or not even a cube. Yeah. Yes, it was a joke. If you don't understand. And this mass is after first Asia, next Africa, North America, and finally South America. Next, its population is 423.58 million people, less than India's population. Yes, the 5th largest in population after, guess it, first Asia, next Africa, next Europe, North America, and yeah, of course South America. And Antarctica would be never there because no one lives there except penguins and other animals like that. Okay, it is entirely in the western hemisphere and also in the southern hemisphere. Like, I'll show you. This is South America and this is the south of South America and this is the north of North America. In the northern hemisphere, in the southern hemisphere. Confusing a bit because of the south of South America. What? Okay, the religions here are Christianity 90%, no religion 7.7%, and others 2.3%. And a fun fact, Hindus there live in 25% of Guyana's population and 22% of Suriname's population. And these two countries are here, which is in the northern part of South America, or in the northern hemisphere of South America. Yeah. Okay. Do you know why this is only English, like Christianity? Guess it. Because it was colonized by the Europeans, all of it. Not even some place was spared. Yeah. Okay. The languages here are Spanish, majority spoken, Portuguese, Guarani, which is native, English, French, Dutch, etc. So, because of the Spanish invaded most of the place of South America, this place speaks Spanish. This is Brazil and the smaller country of Uruguay, which speaks Portuguese. And up here there are the other languages, like in Suriname Dutch, Guyana, guess it, in British, and French Guyana, guess it, French. We can understand it by its own name. It has French in it, that means it's French. Okay, its borders are west by the Pacific Ocean. Next, border in the northeast, the Atlantic Ocean. Here. Next, in the northwest, North America. And the Caribbean Sea over here with the Caribbean countries like Cuba. Yes. Okay, it contains 12 sovereign states. Only 12, which is the lowest country count in a continent. The lowest, except Antarctica, which has 0. Yeah. Okay, there are two main dependent territories, which are the Falkland Islands and South Georgia and South Sandwich Islands. And do you want to eat the South Sandwich Islands? Okay, the South Sandwich Islands are here in the South Georgia, these ones, which are one full territory ruled by the British. And Falkland Islands are here. And do you know there was a war between the British and Argentinian people just for the Falkland Islands? Because of that small land. Yeah, for just that. And there are also other small things, small territories. Like here, the Ascension Islands, which are just in the Atlantic Ocean somewhere. They are ruled by the British and some other small Norwegian islands. Norway is up very north there, but we still don't know why Norway is going down here. How? Why? And one internal French territory, French Guyana. It is part of the European Union, so it uses, guess it, euros in South America and is directly controlled by France. So that means the biggest country bordering France is not Germany like that. It's Brazil. That is crazy. Okay, now I'll show the map of South America with its countries. And also there are two other transcontinental countries in South America, between North America and South America. Yes, both Americas. Yeah. If you don't know transcontinental countries, these countries are the countries which are between two continents. So here is the biggest one, the fifth largest country in real life, not only in the South America, in the world, not technically real life. Everything is real life here. Here is Brazil. And do you know, after independence, Brazil was an empire with the small country of Uruguay mixed into it. But because of just this small country, it was an empire, or else it is just this thing. That's just the difference between an empire and a normal country. There's some difference. Next, up here is Suriname, which are Dutch. Next, Guyana, normal Guyana, not French. Next here is French Guyana, the French Guyana. And do you know French Guyana is the biggest colony that borders land, biggest territory, not colony exactly. Yeah. Next, Venezuela, and it also has this thing up there. Next, Colombia, Peru, Ecuador here, the Galapagos Islands, which have penguins. Penguins way up north over here, while Antarctica is somewhere there. Where there? And do you know the Galapagos Islands is the highest or the northernmost place where penguins exist. And even in South Africa they exist. But the Galapagos Islands are way more north than those South America. Next is Bolivia, Paraguay. Next, Chile. And do you know in South America there were only a small amount of wars. One war caused Bolivia to leave its sea. The sea came to Chile in a war. Now it's like this. But then Bolivia had a coast. But now it isn't there. Okay, here is the one, Argentina and the small Falkland Islands. The South Georgia and Sandwich Islands. Down here, Trinidad and Tobago, which is one of the transcontinental countries. Trinidad and Tobago, a small island. And Panama. Yeah, Panama, the isthmus country thing. So, this is South America. You can look at it for a while. Isn't it beautiful? Here is Argentina, Chile, Uruguay, Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, next Colombia, Venezuela, and here is also the Angel Falls, the tallest waterfalls in the whole world, uninterrupted falls, not the normal falls which go like this. Uninterrupted falls are the falls which go like straight down. I Next, here is French Guyana, Guyana, Suriname, and here is the whole forest of the Amazon rainforest. And do you know the biggest park in all of the European Union is not in Europe itself. It is in French Guyana, in the Amazon part of French Guyana. Wow! France has achieved it all. Next, here is the Amazon River, not even leaving the Amazon. That's why it's named Amazon River. Next, here is the Andes in Chile, the Patagonia Desert, which is a desert, and the Atacama Desert over here. Wow, this is geographic. And the most wetlands or the wet South America is in Colombia, I guess, in somewhere here. But the big rainforest of Brazil, which is the Amazon rainforest, is getting cut down. So just don't let people cut this place down. It is very important for creatures and life. There are more than 40,000 species of just trees itself, not even animals. There are too many more. Yeah. And also the Ascension Islands, which are another British territory, which are down here. And that Norway, one wet island. Okay. Now, wow. This looks great. And also penguins. This is my best I could draw them. Yeah. Did you really think that was complete? You may have think, but there are still more things. And one mistake I made, I mistakenly wrote the ones here wrongly. So first is, guess it, Guyana here, next Suriname and French Guyana. Yeah, here. Do you know how people came to here? When the Bering Bridge was there, people entered to North America, where they came to this South America and they just took all of it. Yeah. And do you know the first Europeans here came in the 16th century? That means between 1501 to 1600. Up to then. I mean 1601 to 1700. Yeah. Okay. Actually, the first one is correct. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Here, do you know before Pangea got separated, Africa and South America were just mixed together like this is Africa, the huge landmass we see today here, Somalia, and India also was there somewhere. Yeah, wow. And here there are many only here animals. 3 of them are first piranhas. They are like fishes. They bite your hand and just drag you to eat you. It's bad. They are in the Amazon, some rivers here. Yeah. Next are anacondas, which are snakes. They just roll on you and just make you not breathe anymore. Your lungs would be compressed, so you can't breathe anymore. They are very dangerous. Next, llamas, which are in this place of Peru. They are very cute. They just spit saliva at you if you harm them. Yeah, they are very bad. So be careful with them. Just pet them, not hit them. Okay? Okay, do you know the main ethnic group here are the mestizos, which are actually a mix between indigenous people and the Europeans. And they also exist in the islands up here in the North America of the Caribbean, which are, guess it, Dominican Republic and Haiti. One of them, not both of them. One of them has it. I think Dominican Republic. Okay. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? But I don't even understand some of it, so get confused. And up here, this is France somewhere. We can't see it from here. Yeah, this is correlated to France. Wow. Yeah, and here is Antarctica, even a bit down there. Not just this high. Antarctica is not a shot just coming up and taking out of the food that South America is putting into the shark mouth, which are these islands. Yeah, it looks like that. So this is for today about South America. Bye.